In this short tutorial, I will show you how to send high-quality images on iMessage. Sending high-quality images on iMessage is simple and can make your photos look much better when they are received by your friends and family. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone and then scroll down until you see an option called Messages. Tap on it. After that, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Now you will see an option called Low Quality Image Mode, and it is enabled when this is on. Images sent will be lower quality. To send high quality images on iMessage, simply disable this option. To do that, toggle off the switch over here. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.